Hi guys, I am just finishing getting ready, and so I thought I would show you how to get voluminous curls. So I've been going through each section and curling with a wand, and then I just use like a little hair claw clip to push my hair together and push it up like that. This is gonna be pretty quick, this whole video, just because I am headed out the door to meet up with one of my business partners. So you just grab each section. I'm doing pretty big sections, and I'm gonna go in and wrap it up and away from my scalp. That's gonna help give it that volume. And then I'm gonna let it out and let it cool in the coil in my hand. And I'll just go through and do each of the sections. This one going up, just to give a little bit of extra boost. If you curl it down, your hair, like the gravity's already gonna be pulling your hair down. That's why we want to go up. And then I'll grab a section on this side. My hair's a little messy. I haven't combed through it. It's super straight, just naturally. So when my hair was wet, I made sure to prep it with a couple of products that would help the curls last. And then I also sprayed, what is it called? It's a root pump. I'll take that one out. It's a root pump by Big Sexy Hair. I sprayed that in my roots. And then we'll just do a section back here. And again, curling up, away from the scalp. And then holding the curl so it cools. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna like pretty much help your hair memorize the pattern, the curl. We'll do this section right here. This little front section, it's a pretty big one. Okay, and we'll let that one out. Okay, then I will take it down. So you can already see, just by having my hair pulled up in that claw, it's letting the hair go up instead of just dragging it down. So I'm just gonna part it. Right there looks good. And then I'll just finish off these curls, and I'm gonna do just a couple more things. So when I start a new section, I generally like to spray just a little bit of dry shampoo in my hair, especially if my hair is clean. So then it gives it a little bit of grit and texture, and it doesn't just slide right out. Okay, whoa. Do this one, up and away. Let it out. So I don't know about you guys, but I have a tendency to reach for my curling iron more than curling wands, just because it's faster for me, but I love the look of curling wands. The curls just are, I just feel like they're a little bit more bouncy. They tend to have more volume. Oops, looking at myself backwards there. Let that one out. I'm gonna kind of cool it in that coil. And we'll do section right here. Go the opposite way of how I just curled my hair. Okay, and then this is my last section. I'm gonna pull it forward so it's right in front of my face and let that one out and down. I think I've got all of my sections covered. Oh, nope, I've got some straight. There's always those hairs in the very back. Okay, so just gonna curl this one up and away from my scalp. Whoever is watching, I never see comments, so I'm sorry, I promise I'm not ignoring. Okay, gonna spray a little bit of dry shampoo on my roots, and then I'm just gonna kind of finger comb these curls out. So even just like without doing anything, I have pretty good volume, but I want volume throughout the day, so I'm just gonna go through each little section and do just a little bit of teasing, back combing. And I'm gonna take pretty big sections and just go out like a couple inches and let that down. And when I say out a couple of inches, I mean like you don't need to start down here, out a couple of inches from your scalp. Okay, so I'm not really combing through it. I just kind of want it to be there as like almost like a base. Then I'll let this down, and I'm still gonna go and do it to these top sections, just a little bit. I have a special brush that I use just for smoothing. I swear one of my kids stole it. Do you know where that brush is, Peter? It's a, I don't even know how to describe it. Okay, do this little top section. Do you know where it is? You want to go get it, Roman? Okay. You have a brush? All right, do you guys see that volume I got? And it's not super messy. Okay, just gonna spray it. You already have a brush? I'm just gonna spray it. So I always say make your hand into a claw. If you don't want to do that, you can also take just another little comb and just kind of push it in your hair and push up. But I just love doing a claw because it's easier than grabbing another comb. Mine. You want, oh, you guys, my kids love hairspray. Do you want to say hi? So we collect brushes and combs at our house, and they're always walking away with a brush. This brush, I don't know, I've had it for years. I don't even know where you would find it. I got it from a workshop in New York City, but anyways, okay, well, if you guys have any questions, I will respond to them. I'm gonna take off, but I am not seeing any comments right now, so I'm so sorry. I promise I'm not trying to ignore anybody. By the way, this is the Extra Body finishing spray from Paul Mitchell. I love it because of the smell. I feel like it stays put. Anyways, okay, that's what I've got today. Drop your comments below. I will get back to them. So sorry I couldn't see them on this video.